Are you dreaming of a successful career at sea? At Candina Group, we make that journey possible, guiding seafarers step by step from your first contract to long-term career growth. It all starts with opportunity. Candina partners with top global ship owners to offer positions for cadets, ratings, officers, and senior ranks. With us, there are no hidden costs. Recruitment is always 100% free for seafarers. Our online application process is quick and transparent. Once you submit your CV, our team reviews your profile and connects you directly with ship owners, cutting out the middleman. At sea, every contract is a chance to grow. Whether you start as a cadet or an able-bodied seaman, Candina ensures you gain experience with respected companies, building a reputation that helps you move up the ranks. And while you're on board, we understand how important family is. That's why Candina works with ship owners who value fair contracts, safe vessels, and the well-being of their crew. Many of today's captains and chief engineers started their careers through Candina. With each contract, you build not only your experience but also a strong, lifelong career path. Your maritime career begins here. Candina is more than a recruiter. We are your career partner at sea. Join us today and take the next step toward your future.